I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane, guys. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments. I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. So, hey guys, do you play Cute Reapers in My Room? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to get Cute Reapers in My Room on your phone for free. And it works on iPhone, so you do not need an Android. So let's go to the website. It's tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So on this site, go to the search bar, type, and then here's the game. So press install. So before it downloads, there will be this verification step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. But that's how to get Cute Reapers in My Room for your phone, bro. Because, like, why would you want to play it on PC? I mean, don't get me wrong, I like PC, but I want to play it on the go. So anyway, guys, now it's loading, and it's just going to say, like, missing. So you just got to download some of these. So, like, Underdogs, like down and run for 30 seconds. Then we have Family Island, which says reach level 11. Lucky Match also says reach level 11. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. Then you will have Cute Reapers in My Room on your phone, guys. 2025. Super cool, guys. It actually works. No one can take it from you. That is how to play Cute Reapers in My Room on iPhone, Android. Every device in your house can run this, I think.